Hey guys, Felipe with Velocity Factor. Today is a very exciting day. We got this beautiful McClaren 720S. We got it here at the shop. We're getting ready to make it faster, so we're going to tune the computer. So let me show you how it's done. Okay, so very carefully we remove the wheel because these are carbon ceramic brakes, so we want to make sure that they're not touched or harmed. So we have the guide pin here, so when we take the wheel off, we don't scratch the brakes. Next up, I have very carefully removed all the T30 bolts that are holding this fender liner in. And then I'm going to just very gently remove it, just like this. And there it is. That's what we were after. So knowing that the McLaren is going to be running on 93 octane fuel, it's going to be able to pick up with this new ECU tune 242 horsepower and an additional 152 foot-pounds of torque at the flywheel. Okay, so we got the ECU secured here. This is the last step to make sure we push it in. It clips in. Everything's in place there. And now we can start putting side panels on very carefully. This just goes just like that.